Unbelievable, total idiots in cars, and worst drivers, road incidents. Unexpected situations. Shouldn't have a lot of collisions like this one. Unexpected, ride from the other vehicle, across the road was no safe. At the wrong time, the driver pulled into the car park. Drivers are not always knowledgeable about driving. Volkswagen was speeding, so that it did not have time to look around if anyone was overbroad from the side. Vehicles before the driver stopped suddenly, causing road blockage. Broken vehicles. Roads are nothing new. In such conditions, special care must be taken on the roads due to the poor adhesion of tires to the surface.